In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the absolute easiest process to get Steam up and running on your Windows 11 computer. Whether you are a hardcore gamer looking to build a massive library or a casual player just starting out, Steam is the essential platform for access to thousands of games, social features, and community content. Installing software on a modern operating system like Windows 11 is generally straightforward, but there are a few specific settings and security prompts you should be aware of to ensure your installation is clean, fast, and secure. This tutorial is designed for 2026, so we are going to use the latest interface and the most efficient methods available. If this video ends up helping you out and gets you into your gaming faster, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel for more easy tech guides just like this one. To get started, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or whatever you are comfortable with. In the address bar, you want to navigate directly to the official Steam website at store.steampowered.com. It is very important that you use the official source to avoid any bundled bloatware or security risks from third-party mirrors. Once the Steam homepage loads, you will see a bright blue button at the very top right of the page that says Install Steam. Go ahead and click that button now. This will take you to a dedicated download page where the website will automatically detect that you are on a Windows machine. You will see a large blue Install Steam button prominently displayed in the center of the screen. Click that to begin the process. Your browser will now begin downloading the Steam Setup.exe file. This is a very small initial downloader, so it should finish within just a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, locate the file. It is usually found in your Downloads folder, or you can simply click on the file icon directly in your browser's download history panel. Double-click the installer to launch it. At this point, Windows 11 will likely present you with a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Go ahead and click Yes to proceed with the setup. The Steam Setup window will now appear on your screen. The first thing you will see is a welcome message. Go ahead and click Next to move forward. You will then be asked to choose your preferred language. Steam supports a massive variety of languages, so select the one that suits you best and click Next again. After that, you will have the option to choose where you want to install Steam. By default, it will suggest your C drive under Program Files. If you have plenty of space on your main drive, leaving this as the default is perfectly fine. However, if you have a secondary SSD dedicated to games, this would be the time to click Browse and select that drive instead. Once you are satisfied with the location, click the Install button to begin the actual file extraction and installation process. This should only take a moment or two. Once it is finished, you will see a completion screen. Make sure the box labeled Run Steam is checked and then click Finish. Since this is a fresh installation, Steam will now launch and immediately check for any available updates to the client itself. It will likely download several hundred megabytes of data to ensure you are running the most recent, most secure version of the platform. Just let it do its thing. Don't close the window while it is updating. After the update finishes, the Steam login window will finally pop up. If you already have an account, you can simply type in your credentials and verify your identity if you have two-factor authentication enabled. If you are brand new to PC gaming, you will see an option at the bottom to create a free account. Follow those prompts to choose a username and password, verify your email address, and you will be ready to go. Once you are logged in, you will have full access to the Steam store, your library, and your friends list. You can start browsing for free games or purchase the latest AAA titles immediately. Installing Steam is truly the first step into a much larger world of entertainment, and having it properly configured on Windows 11 ensures you'll get the best performance possible. That really covers everything you need to know to get started. If this video helped you get your gaming setup ready, remember to hit that like and subscribe button for more high quality tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your games.